Third house on the right, 1, 2, 3, has a snowman. Don't you just love Google Maps?
In 2018, a group of rad dudes were released into the wild on a drain 'em all mission. Their goal, to shred every empty and abandoned pool across the country. They are the Pool Seekers. Featuring Andrew Lazarick as Laser. Jeff Gibson as El Jefe. Kevin Conway, aka Kebra. Yeah, dude. And Rick Thorne as Mr. T-Bird. Welcome to Pool Seekers. Yo, for this tour, I gotta get a van, bro. My homie's got one here at my mechanic shop. We're gonna see well, how much he wants for it and see if we can take it home, get it painted, you know what I mean? Yo, how much you want for this van? I got a tour to do. You know how much he wants for this beater right here? No? I'll give him $1,000.
Maybe $200.
I'll give him 200 for it. Does it run? All right, let's see. Oh man, this shit smells. Holy. Hey, what do you use this van for? A party bus? Yo, up here at the professional #1, I'm getting ready to buy this van. John, he said 200 bucks and a cup of D. I got the D, the 200 I might have to, you know, make payments on, because this is a DIY tour. Cup of DIY. All right, when he gets back, we can get this van. I'm gonna go wrap that bad boy. All right, bro, so there's a 200 bucks.
All right.
And here he said he needed a cup of D. There you go, bro. DIY, do it yourself. Get a van, hop in the van, and go. Let's see if this radio works. Oh, sick. Oh, GNR! Perfect! Check out my van! Yo, what up, Nick Sawyers?
What up?
So what do we got going on today?
We're painting the dang van.
Yo, I'm dropping the van off right now. Primary color, my boy Jerome.
What's up?
We're gonna wrap this bad boy. Are you kidding me? Ah, you guys are sick. Primary color if you need your car wrapped. We're getting ready to hit the road. All right, I gotta go get the rims on it now.
No doubt.
And then it's done. I got the rims and tires on now, check it. Time to hit the road. We're gonna make the A team look like the B team. We the A+ team, let's go. I pity the pool, I pity the pool. All right, today is the day. We're going on tour, baby. First off, though, I gotta go to LAX to pick up Kev, bro. He just flew in for tour. Then I'm going back to my house to meet all the homies. We're gonna pack up this van, we're gonna hit the road, we're gonna have a good time. We want you to come with us. We are the Pool Seekers. Let's do this. Kev, bro! What's up? Check out the van, dude. What do you think? Gonna kill it. Let's do it. Hey, yo, bro, they're here. All right, sick. Get them. Get in, guys.
What up? Yo, man, what's happening?
What up, what up?
What up?
Let's go. I get 50% of whatever
You with a dog.
Nothing. Trash. Just use your fingernail, bro. You never scratched a lotto ticket
I don't
before?
have fingernails, I bite them off.
Nothing, man.
That's my son's sport, dude. He'll get pissed. Kick back, enjoy the ride. Anybody got any cassettes?
What year is this?
All right, guys, we're on the road finally. First stop, we're going out into the desert to hang out with the DPC guys. That's the Desert Pool Cartel. Art and Dan, they've been skating and ripping since birth. They got their own board company. They got their own skate punk band called Since We Were Kids. They got a grip of pools out in the desert, dude, and they invited us out to some permission pools. We're gonna go shred with these guys right now. Mike Escamilla and Jason Enns, pro BMXers, are gonna show up. So let's do this. Pool Seekers, you guys ready?
Yeah, let's do it. Stoked.
We hit the switch, Kev, see what it says about the traffic.
Oh, with the Thorne.
Dallas, too, on this side.
Oh, Dallas is here too?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. Everybody's here. How's it going? Chilling.
Good to see you, dude.
You too.
Yo, what up, Dallas? Dallas done did it.
What's up, bro?
What's up, my man? Good to see you.
Mike Escamilla, rooftop.
Man, looks good.
I know, right?
It does.
It's really like incognito, you know?
Oh yeah, you wouldn't know it's coming.
Yeah. Yo, made it to the first stop, time to shred. That's the whole point of this whole tour is DIY.
Yeah.
Like, you know, if you say, oh, you get a van, this, that, get in the van and go. The whole thing is my whole life, people have always said, oh, you're lucky. You ride bikes, you get to do this, you do that. And I'm like, no, dude, you gotta make it happen. DIY. Pool riding and finding pools is so DIY. You guys are all like 100% DIY.
Yeah, that's how you got to do it. It's like, you know,
You
you got to
bring it to
find it.
reality.
You got to find it. You got to, you know.
But then with the band and also with your boards,
Yeah.
you guys stick together as a family. I love it,
Yeah.
dude. I think it's awesome.
It just teaches you different things, you know, and sticking together. And we've had the same people in the same band for what, 5 years now already.
Yeah.
It's not like, you know, we hire and fire because again, everybody enjoys doing this and enjoys being part of it. When we're on tour, they're hanging out at the skate park or, you know, backyard pool with us, watching and hanging out, and you know, it's just a whole extension of it. I mean, there's nothing better for me than touring and being on the road with my band, but at the same time, when we're skating and enjoying this kind of stuff, it doesn't get any better than this.
No, well, the loyalty needs to come back. You know, and you guys are a prime example of like staying loyal to each other and what you
And
believe
keeping
in.
your word, you know, be truthful and honest, and say what you're gonna do, but do what you're gonna say. Don't just sit there and, you know, be a flake or fake anything.
Yeah, no, I hear you on that. Yo, first stop, guys. You guys killed it. Destroyed the game. That pool was rad. We're on our way to the second pool right now. I'm telling you, man, these guys, the DPC crew, they're holding it down out here in the desert. Let's go shred another one. Let's go round two. Let's go, baby. Come on.
Similar to the Magic 8 Ball, we got the Magic Boost Switch.
It's just specifically for you, Kev. This is how your session's gonna go.
You've just been boosted.
Wow.
That's scary.
How big this one is, man. Are you kidding me?
Thanks for having me, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Sweet.
Later, brother.
Later.
You're on. Later, dude. We're heading to Phoenix, guys. Yo, much love.
luck.
Thanks a lot. Let's
Awesome,
play a
man.
show together, bro.
Yes, let's do it.
All right.
Good meeting you guys.
Let's go. We're gonna hit the road. We're off to Phoenix. Pool Seekers.